So my dear students, welcome back to this class, and where we are going to talk about what is refraction of light. So very first thing that you have to keep in mind is the spelling. This is refraction. So R is there, A is there, it is not reflection. In the case of, let us recap the thing, what is reflection, the other one. Reflection means when we are bouncing, when the light is falling, it is bouncing back. It is coming to same medium because this is a opaque surface. Now what will happen when the medium is transparent? Then we will take up that it is another topic that is called refraction of light. First thing, the definition. It is the phenomena in which light will enter a medium and it will move away from its defined direction and slightly changes its direction. It moves away from its path. So this moving away from its path, when it enters from one medium to another, it is called refraction. So question comes, why it changes its path? What is the need that light is traveling this way and now suddenly it is changing its path? We will say because it happens when the medium, the quality of the medium is changing. If the medium is air and the light is leaving air and getting into the water, like I'm standing here and there's a swimming pool inside, I have my mobile or my chain is inside that swimming pool. Now light will enter from air and it will get into that swimming pool, that water medium. The molecules are differently arranged in both the mediums. In case of air, the particles are loosely arranged. Molecules have got enough space. So the speed of light in air is quite good. But once this light enters into the another medium, that is water, then what happens? This water, this medium, it becomes a bit closer. The space is less. And because of this, the speed of light slows down. So I have taken a ray diagram like this. The light is entering. One medium is air, other is water. It will go, it will bend towards the normal, and this bending of light is called refraction. Now you have to think this way. If this refraction is happening, where exactly we can see that? Yes, we can see this refraction. It is every day happening in our eyes. In our eyes, we have a convex lens. The light enters and it bends. So all the bending of lights makes this eye work throughout the day, and it just a very good example of refraction. I have also taken one more example of refraction of light where I am going to see and talk about this paper strip where I have drawn an arrow and a dot. You can see easily. Now you can easily see that arrow is towards me, right? So now what I'm going to do, I have taken a glass of water, which is my medium. This is air. It is right now, this arrow is in air medium. Now we are going to see through that glass, right? I'll hold it like this, and you have to see it through a glass. You will do this experiment by yourself and you will see that the direction of dot has changed to that side. So why this has happened? One more example I can easily ask you to go do it at your home, because science is once you see it, then only you feel it, right? See, feel and believe. So take a pen. Think it as a ray of light. It will enter from air to water, and now you will see easily that the pen is slightly bent. Why this bending? Why this pen has suddenly distorted its shape? Because it is showing a phenomena. It is showing us this phenomena of the refraction of light. You do it with it yourself and you will find it very simple. So my dear class, what is important is When we say that refraction, then we have to see that if this is the human eye, this is the human lens, the light is entering here, this is going to bend the light. And this human eye is a very best example of refraction process. So we have completed the topic. Let us revise it again. Refraction is the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. Then why this bending happens? It happens because the light is changing its direction. The medium has changed because the medium has become denser or rarer or denser. Now that two mediums will decide that whether the ray of light will be towards the normal or away from the normal. Like for example, let us take one more example this way. I take, let us imagine we are taking a glass of water again, and here I am taking water. Water is in the first medium and the second medium is air. Now what will happen? See, I have taken an incident ray. Now once the incident ray is there, there is a normal. Now this refraction, now you have to think before giving the answer. This water, it is as compared to air, the molecules are tightly packed. Air molecules are loosely packed. So there will be enough space. The speed of light in air will be more. So now it is going to bend, but it is going to bend away from the normal. It will bend away from the normal. We can compare this incident angle and this is the refracted angle. So which is more? This angle is more. Why? The incident ray has refracted, bent and gone away. Why away? Because this is a rare medium and this is a denser medium. And you can do so many examples this way. You can take water in glass, glass in air, and every answer is running around this fundamental, which is having the density more, which has the arrangement of molecules. What kind of arrangement of molecules will be there in the two mediums that are given to us? I hope now the things are very clear to you. What is refraction? Why this refraction happens? Where do we see the refraction process? And this completes, and this simple fun experiment, you can take a glass, an arrow and do the game and show some magic at home with your junior ones and impress others. So this is, I think, over by today's class, refraction of light. See you in the next class with what we are going to talk about, the human eye. How to draw, what are the different parts, etc. Thank you, class.